Alright, so good day everyone. Nandito ulit tayo ngayon sa Anilao, Batangas. Now to feature this a farm lot for sale. So anyway, so this property with a total land area of 2,398 square meters titled property and selling in the market for 4.5 million pesos. So magandang frontage no from dito yung Muhon. So you have here the PS. The PS is the property survey no. Ito yung pinakamuhon natin. So papunta doon sa may saging. Wow, you have almost mga 40 meters frontage. So if you are interested no to buy this solid investment dito sa Anilao, Batangas no, with a land area of 2,398 square meters. So selling for 4.5 million pesos. So if you are interested no, you can reach us on the number flashing on the screen. So my name is Ray. Thank you so much and God bless everybody.